The first one you probably haven't thought of about too much: escalator and elevator installation and repair technician. So if you've ever been to an airport, ridden up the escalator, or you've gone in a high-rise building and you got to go up and down and not take the stairs, that's what these people do. They fix these things, they install these things, and they're critical because you definitely, when you go up to a high-rise and you're up 40 stories, you want to make sure that the elevator is working correctly, right? Well, these guys do pretty well. The median wage for these folks is about $98,000 for private sector work and around $125,000 for public sector or prevailing wage projects. Now, if you don't know what a prevailing wage project is, stick around for a few minutes. At the end of this video, I'll tell you what that's all about.